everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie. I got a real treat for you guys today. I'm here at the House of Tools workshop, and today we have this brand new, hot off the press as they say, or hot out of the shop, tool. This is a Flickblade utility knife scraper with blade storage. Now, to be honest, I've never seen this. This is one of their brand new tools. It just came into the shop, and I get to check it out for the first time. All in the new package and everything. So, let's open this thing up and check it out, if we can. I think we're gonna need the actual knife to do it. So, boy, as my dad used to say, chew along dotted line. They do not want this thing open, that's for sure. You are not gonna go into Home Depot and open this thing up and steal it. So, as we sort of pry this thing out and hope we don't mar the package too much, I'll get you a part number here. Let's see. 44306. All right, we got it out and I didn't cut anything. I still got all my 10 digits here. But let's see. We open this up and look at that, blade storage. So we got room for a couple blades down there. What do we have here? I don't know. I think there's a button here. Let's see, that closes that up. Okay, that's closed. Let's see, to open it up. Well, I'm gonna have to learn a little more. Push the button. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so this also opens, they say, in two different 180 and 135 degrees. So this is kind of nice. It's easier on your wrist when it's at that angle, or you can open it all the way up to the normal angle. And it's also supposed to have a scraper on the back end here. Let's see. I'm not quite sure what's going on here. We're gonna, oh, there we go. Okay, there it is. All right, we got it now. It's got a scraper on this end. That's pretty wicked looking, I gotta be honest. You definitely don't want both of these open at the same time, but makes a nice little scraper. So I'm not exactly sure what kind of blades that uses, but here we have on the side here, this little plastic piece opens up, and then we have kind of a wheel here, and I guess that just sort of rotates them in and out. Mental note, do not do that fast or you will lose your blade. We'll have to go pick that up in a minute. But close it back up just like that, and there you go. Nice and compact, 2-in-1. You get the scraper, and again, if you push the right buttons, opens up into 135 degrees or 180 degrees. So normally this is the time I ask you to comment if you use this tool, but I don't think many people have because it just came out. But leave me a comment. What do you think about the idea of a cutting tool and a scraper in one by Klein? Also, if you could like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it so we can keep showing you some of these brand new tools. Can't wait to take this out and give it a test run once I pick up that blade. See you on the next video. Hey Tool Junkies, my bad. Let's try this again. Looking at the Klein tools after the fact with my reading glasses on, I discovered my error, not Klein tools. How was that? Well, when you open this up here, and remember this little thing when I went like, whoops, when I went like that and the blade went flying? Well, if you look closely, there's a set screw right there. And out of the box, it was just loose. It hadn't been tightened. This whole piece here cinches down on the blade, locks it in. So it's nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. So when you need to change the blade, you do need to get a screwdriver, a slotted blade right in there, loosen up this little plate here. Then the blade will come out, and from there, like we'd previously looked at, when you open this up here, the blades are here, so you can open that up, and there's your spare blades. Also, I failed to mention that there's a little cutout here, so you can cut the string on the blade as well. So a couple of nice features here with this. So, my bad, that blade's not going anywhere once you do it correctly.